This is Darvish Khan, Subject Specialist English. Today I am here for Advanced English Grammar course, recording a video that is based on lecture number 24. Lecture number 24 is about case grammar. What is case grammar? Case grammar is very simple to be understood. After understanding the 6 types of grammar, this is the 7th type of grammar. In this type, what we will study? We in fact study the semantic roles. Semantic roles in what? In grammatical structures. We study the semantic roles in grammatical structures in order to make the meaning explicit to us. For example, how we should draw a sentence and then we should draw the constituent structure of that sentence. For example, in case grammar, I say the main stabbed my brother with a knife. Now the question is, I'm very confused. Who has the knife? My brother or the man? It means that the man is the subject, while the remaining stabbed my brother with a knife. This is called verb phrase, or it's called predicate. Now in subject, there is noun phrase, and in noun phrase, there is a determiner which is called an article, and there is a noun. But in verb phrase, we have a verb as head, and my brother is noun phrase. But if I say my brother with a knife, if I get this with a knife as prepositional phrase, as post modifier with brother, which is actually a noun, in as head in noun phrase, and my as pre-modifier. My as pre-modifier, and with a knife, basically it is used as post modifier, as prepositional phrase. But this is taken in the whole noun phrase. It means my brother, he had a knife and the man stabbed him with something else. But when I say that, no, I want to get the same phrase in this way. If I take it as combined phrase in noun phrase, this shows that with a knife is with my brother. But if I take it like this, that the predicate is divided into 3 phrases. The first one is verb phrase. There is verb as head, and there is a noun phrase, and there is a prepositional phrase. If I get prepositional phrase as a separate phrase, this shows that this phrase, which is with a knife, this with a knife is not in the hand of my brother, but rather with the subject. It is in the hand of the man. If it is taken separately, this focusing specifically on the structure to get meaning explicitly, this is called case grammar. Case grammar is something in which we focus on the structures in order to find out the meaning correctly. Which phrase gives us what kind of meaning? That is called case grammar. I hope this video should be very beneficial for you. Please watch my channel, like it, and subscribe it. Thank you all.